Oops. As I said, I make mistakes when I build these things. So this is going to be where the top anchors on. This is here. And I fucked that up again. Big day. Goes in here. It's in there. Goes on. Oops. Actually, I'm going to take that off and put a couple of stickers on. Actually, no. I need to make sure they line up. So that's going to go on first. No. See, I just put that sticker on there. I'm going to flip it around, put one on a similar sticker on the other side. Just so that I can make sure that the blue stripe lines up. It's there. This is kind of weird. This is the first kit I can remember where, at this point in the build, I mean, I've gone through 2 bags, and I haven't seen any